While you sleep, 12,000 nuclear warheads are waiting for a single command. From the depths of the Pacific Ocean to the silos in the Siberian tundra, the world's most powerful nations have built a machine that can end civilization in less than 30 minutes. But who owns the most, and what are the secret technologies they are telling us about? Welcome to the Shadow Archive. The Cold War never truly ended. It just went high-tech. Today, Russia holds the world's largest arsenal, with nearly 5,500 warheads, including the terrifying Sarmat missile, known as Satan II. Across the ocean, the United States maintains a lethal nuclear triad, land, air, and sea, designed to ensure that even if the country is destroyed, it can strike back with absolute fury. Together, these two giants control 90% of the world's nuclear power. The most dangerous part of the triad isn't on land, it's underwater. A single U.S. Ohio-class submarine carries enough nuclear power to level 24 cities. They are the ultimate ghost weapons, invisible, unreachable, and always ready. Russia's new Poseidon underwater drone is even more mysterious, a nuclear-powered torpedo designed to create a radioactive tsunami. For decades, China played a quiet game, but not anymore. Intelligence reports suggest China is building hundreds of new missile silos at a record pace. Currently holding around 500 warheads, their goal is to reach nuclear parity with the US and Russia by 2035. With hypersonic missiles that can bypass any modern defense system, the balance of power is shifting faster than the world realizes. It's not just the big three. France maintains 290 warheads, and the UK has 225, both relying heavily on sea-based deterrence. Then there are the smaller but unpredictable players: Pakistan with 170, India with 164, and Israel with an estimated 90 undeclared warheads. Meanwhile, North Korea's arsenal has grown to approximately 50, forcing the world to watch the Pacific with constant fear. These are the nations keeping the world in a state of nuclear latency.
The future of nuclear war isn't just about the size of the bomb, it's about speed. AI is being integrated into launch protocols, making decisions in milliseconds. Hypersonic gliders fly so fast and so low that no radar can catch them. We are entering a new era where the human finger might not even be the one to push the button.
Today, the Doomsday Clock stands at just 90 seconds to midnight, the closest it has ever been since its creation in 1947. This isn't just a metaphor. With Russia's 5,580 warheads, America's 5,044, and China's rapidly growing 500, the margin for error is zero. With the dead hand system capable of launching thousands of missiles without human intervention, and AI now managing 30% of global defense logistics, the risk of a technical glitch is at an all-time high. In 1983, a single computer error almost triggered a full-scale war. Today, we are hundreds of times more vulnerable. Is the world safer, or are we just one hacked server or one human ego away from the end? The archives are open, but the time is running out. Subscribe to the Shadow Archive for more declassified truths. The clock is ticking.